Hello, this is Daniel Colon with Attentis Technologies. Today we're going to go over a quick tutorial on how you can access the Barracuda control panel and how you can process emails through the quarantine notification email that you'd receive. First, let's go over how to access the control panel. You'll want to open up a browser, and once you're there, we'll go to the website ess.barracudanetworks.com. And once you're there, you'll be prompted to log in. You'll want to log in with whatever email it is that you're using primarily for your organization. So I'll do Daniel clone at attentis.tech. From here, you can view the emails that have been quarantined most recently, and as well as you can change the history that you're looking at for the number of days, and you can search through the emails that have been blocked. So let's say, for example, I need a Dell email that was blocked more than 2 days ago. So I would change the dropdown here to, let's say, 1 week, for example. We'll hit search, and then the search bar here, I can do Dell, hit search again, and let's say this was the email that I was trying to locate. And if I need to receive this email, after selecting it here, I can go ahead and do deliver, and this will tell me that it's been queued to send it to my mailbox instead of being caught in the spam filter. I can also download the email, add it to the allow list, or block the email if I'd like. I'm also able to view emails that have been completely blocked that perhaps didn't make it to quarantine. For this, I'd want to make sure I'm not searching for anything actively, and then let's change the message filter to blocked. Here would be one that was completely blocked that didn't make it to quarantine. It is still possible that emails that you were expecting that were blocked could be here rather than having been quarantined. You could treat this email all the same by delivering it, downloading, allowing, or blocking it. Now that we've gone over how to process emails through the control panel, you would also want to make sure that you can easily get back to this page to access anything you need to. Once you're here, you can always favorite the page just to make sure that you can easily get back to it in the future. This way, if I go to my bookmarks bar and go back here, it'll take me straight to this page, or if it happens to have logged me out, it'll just take you back to the login screen where you can log back into your account. Now, let's take a look at the quarantine email that you might receive. Now, you would receive this email if anything that was coming into your account might have been quarantined, but this would not include emails that were blocked in this report. So if an email was blocked, you would have to manually go to the control panel to see those. But from this panel, you can use the Manage Quarantine link to get to the control panel. You also have these shortcuts available to you to more easily process the emails that were blocked. First, for example, you could use the Deliver option here, and clicking it would either bring you to the login page if you weren't already logged in, or if you are logged in, and such like this case, it'll tell you that the email was processed for delivery, and then in a few moments it will come into your account. You can also use the allow or block options. So, for example, if I want to allow this email from Dell, I could just go ahead and hit allow, and it'll tell me that it was added to the allow list and that it went to be delivered to my account. You can also use the block list function, which would specifically block it if the email is trying to come into your account. Keep in mind that if you have any issues accessing Barracuda or using any of these functions, you can always reach out to us for some assistance on processing the emails or looking into possible email issues you might be experiencing. You can always give us a call at 253-218-6015, option number 2, or you can send an email to help@attentis.tech. We look forward to working with you. Thank you.